Welcome to the today lecture on data privacy in analytics. In this age of big data, organization collect massive amount of information every second. But with great data power comes great responsibility. Protecting sensitive information it isn't just about compiling with laws. It's about building trust with customer and enabling responsible innovation. Next, we will see about the imperative of data privacy. In our data-driven world, privacy is non-negotiable. Strong privacy practice safeguard not only individuals but also the reputation of organization. Poor health of data can result in heavy financial penalties like regulators, reputational damage that erodes public trust, and most importantly, a loss of customer loyalty. So, protecting data is as much a business priority as it is a legal one. Next, we will see about navigating the ethical. Okay, beyond regulation, there are ethical consideration, transparency, and consent. Users should always know what is being collected and how it is being used and give explicit consent. Fairness and bias, especially in AI, data should not lead to discrimination or unfair treatment. Accountability. Organization must be held responsible for breaches and misuses. Ethics, in this sense, from the foundation for sustainable and responsible analytics. Organization must be held responsible for what the data handling practice and privacy breaches. Next, we will see about global laws and regulations. Now, let's look at some major global data privacy law. GDPR, which is in Europe, perhaps the strictest, gives individuals strong right over their data, and CCPA, California in USA, grants consumers significant control over what personal data is collected and shared, and LGPD, which is in Brazil, very similar to GDPR, tailored for Brazil legacy system. PIPEDA. It is in Canada, governs data handling in Canada private sector. The Personal Information Protection and Electronic Document Act governs how private sector organizations you collect, use, and disclose personal information in Canada. This law reflects a global movement prioritizing privacy as a fundamental rights. Okay, next we will be seeing about privacy by design. Privacy isn't something to add on after building a system. Instead, we need a privacy by designing approach which emphasizes protective, non-reactive, but build privacy into system from day one. Privacy as default. It is nothing but ensure personal data is automatically protected. And next is end-to-end security. Secure data across its entire life cycle. And fourth one, it is visibility and transparency. Make sure user and regulators can understand how data is handled. This mindset shifts privacy from an afterthought to a core design principle. Okay. Next, we will be seeing about data minimization. One of the simplest yet most powerful principle is data minimization. Collects only what's needed for the specific purpose. Limit storage time. Don't hoard data unnecessarily. Reduce exposure by restricting access. The less data you hold, the lower risk of misuse of the breaches. Limit storage time is nothing but the delete data once its purpose is fulfilled. Okay, reduce data exposure is nothing but implementing measure to restrict access to sensitive information. Next, we will see about security in data analytics. Data privacy also depends on strong security measure. Encryption, first one is encryption, next is access control, and third one is regular audits. First, encryption ensures data is unreadable to unauthorized user, whether stored or transmitted. Access control defines who can see or use sensitive data, and regular audits helps us catch vulnerability before attackers do. Security act as the first line of defense in privacy protection. And Next, we will see about de-identification and anonymization. Finally, to use data responsibly, especially for research or sharing, we often rely on de-identification and anonymization technique. De-identification removes direct identifiers, but still there are some chances of re-identification. Example includes replacing name with codes, and generalization, broadening categories like age ranges. Anonymization goes further, transforming data so individual cannot be identified at all. Even if combined with other dataset, techniques includes data shuffling and differential privacy, where noise is added to protect the individual record. These methods make data usable while keeping the individual safe. Okay. Next, we will see about the final conclusion. To wrap up, data privacy in analytical is about balance, enabling insight and innovation while respecting individuals' right by following ethical principle, compiling with global regulation, and applying strong technical safeguard. Organization can build trust, reduce risk, and unlock the true potential of this data responsibly. Thank you.